Restart Windows Update Services, press Win plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Windows Update in the list, right-click, and select Restart. Similarly, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right-click, and choose Restart. Run the Windows Update. Troubleshooter, go to Settings greater than System. Greater than Troubleshoot, greater than other troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run to initiate the troubleshooter. 3. Manually download and install the update. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog. Search for KB5053598 and download the appropriate package for your system. Run the downloaded .msu file to install the update manually. 4. Run System File Checker and DISM tools. These utilities can repair corrupted system files that might be causing update failures. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type sfc/scanow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. After the SFC scan, run the following commands one by one. dism/online/cleanupimage/checkhealth. dism/online/cleanupimage. Scan health dism. JOSM online cleanup image. Restore health, restart your computer, and check for updates. 5. Perform a clean boot. Starting Windows with minimal drivers and startup programs can help identify if background applications are interfering with the update. Press Win plus R, type emsconfig, and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items. Close Task Manager and click OK in the System Configuration window. Restart your computer and attempt the update again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider seeking further assistance from Microsoft support or visiting the Windows Forum for community-based solutions.